Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. This opens the local group policy editor. Navigate carefully to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, then click on Specify Settings for optional component installation and component repair in the right panel. Double-click it. Select Enabled. This ensures Windows can directly reach Microsoft's servers for missing components during updates, one of the core causes behind error. Click Apply, then OK to save your settings. Now, let's rebuild the Windows Update components from scratch. Open Command Prompt again as administrator, and type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. These commands stop all update-related services, rename their data folders to reset them, and restart everything cleanly. Once done, restart your PC and check for updates again. This method fully resets your update configuration and ensures proper repair content access, fixing 0x800f081f even when standard tools fail. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more advanced Windows fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.